Hi everyone, welcome to my presentation on demonstrating expertise in marketing analytics. In this video, I'll be walking you through 5 powerful analytical techniques that help marketers make smart data-driven decisions and ultimately create an effective outcomes. So whether you're a student exploring analytics for the first time or marketing professional, looking to sharp your skills, this session will give you a clear understanding on how these tools works and why they matter. So the first thing is, what is marketing analytics? That's the first question which comes in our mind when we speak about marketing. What is marketing analytics? uh, in simple words, I could say that marketing analytics is all about using data to understand what's working, what's not, and how to make a better decision. It's as simple as that. Instead of relying on gut instinct or guesswork, marketers can use data to track customer behavior, measure campaign performance, and predict future trends. In today's competitive market, it's essential businesses to use analytics, and that are more adaptable and far better at connecting with their target audience. So I'll give you an overview of 5 analytical procedures. So there, in total, there are 5 key marketing analytical procedures. Number one is customer segmentation. Number two is predictive analytics. Number three is marketing attribution analysis. Number four comes A/B testing, and number five and the last marketing analytic procedure is social media sentimental analytics. Each of these techniques provides unique insights that help marketers build strong data-driven strategies. So let's get started, break them one by one. So our first mark is customer segmentation. So what's customer segmentation? It is a simple process of dividing a broad customer base into smaller groups or segments based on shared characteristics such as demographics, behavior, interest, habits, or spending, you can say. The main goal over here is personalization. By understanding who your customer are and what they care about, what they want to buy, and you can tailor messages, offer, and experience that truly resonate to each group. So for example, an e-commerce company with a segment customers into first-time buyers, loyal customer, and high value VIPs. Such groups gets a slight different message, maybe a welcome discount for new users or exclusive early access for VIPs. This approach doesn't just improve engagement, it also boosts conversion rate and customer satisfaction, which is very important thing. So let's how does this work? How does it works? To perform customer segmentation, marketers typically they go cluster algorithms like k-means, hierarchical clustering, or simple demographic filters. They just sort the filters out. So the data might be from CRM systems, purchase histories, websites, or analytical tools. One of the segments are created. Marketers can design campaigns for one another to make a meaningful and a profitable interactions. And that's all about the customer segmentation. Let's move ahead with predictive analysis. Predictive analytics take a step further by using historical data to forecast future behavior. In simple ways, we can say that they use historical data to predict the future outcomes. Think of it having like a crystal ball powered by machine learning. Marketer can use it to predict which customers are most likely to come, which leads are most likely to convert, or which products might be in demand next month based on the historical data. For instance, a subscription company can use predictive analytics to spend customers showing early signs of cancellation and spend their personalized retention offers before they actually leave. That's all. And how this works? Methodology of predictive analytics. The methodology often involves regression models, uh, decision tree, or network behavior. You know how decision tree works, like a step by step. Marketers start by training a model or by using historical data such as customer purchase, their engagement history, how they engage. Once the model is trained, it can predict future outcomes, helping business stay one step ahead. This proactive approach saves money and improve long-term customer loyalty. That's all we matter. So and that's all about it. And let's go with the marketing attribution analysis. And which answer is very important question. Which marketing channels are actually driving conversions? Which marketing? In total digital world, customers interact with brands across multiple touch points, social medias, paid ads are going a lot these days. You can see everywhere, organic search and more. Attribution analysis, the main attribution analysis helps. What is goal? It's to help marketer assign credit to those touch points so they can understand which efforts produce the best result. For example, if a customer first clicks a Facebook ad, read an email, then buy a Google search, attribution analysis helps you to determine which of those channels deserves the most credit for the sale. uh, I know I'm going way too fast, but let me explain it in a simple way. See, if you open a Facebook, you saw an ad, then after that ad, you read an email and then buy from a Google search. Attribution analysis, the main thing that attribution analysis do is determine which channel deserves the most credit, like Facebook ads or email or whatever get some more credit over here. So that's how it works. There are several attribution model: firsters, lasters, linear, data driven models, and more common. We're gonna dive into it later. So a data driven model is often preferred because it uses machine learning to allocate credit based on real user behavior. This information is crucial for optimizing marketing budgets, so companies can focus on channels than delivering on the ROIs. ROIs is like return on investment. So uh, let's go ahead with the A/B testing. The fourth marketing analytics is A/B testing, also known as split testing, one of the simple yes yet more powerful techniques in marketing analytics. It involves comparing two versions of something, say two versions of an email, subjected line, a web page, design, social media ad, to see which one performs better. It's just like comparing which one's doing better and which one's not doing better. For example, company might send version A of an email with the subject line save 20% today, and the version B exclusive of a limited terms. So by measuring which terms get more click conversions, marketers can make a decision which one is better for the future campaigns. How this works? Methodology for A/B testing. The key steps are simple. Identify the variable you want to test. Create two versions, A and B. Keep everything else constant. Randomly split your audience. Collect performance data. Choose the version that achieves the best result. Like I said earlier, which one gives you the best result, like A or B. Based on that, your decisions are guided by data. And let me be clear, your decisions are all guided by the data, not by the assumption. That's why we are splitting it into A and B, leading to continuous improvement over the time. So last but not the least, social media sentimental analysis. I'm sorry, I'm getting mixed with segmentation and sentimental, but our last topic is over here is social media sentiment analysis. Finally, let's talk about it. So in the digital age, people commonly share opinions and about brands online. This conversation can make or break the company reputation. How the feedbacks on the Google are very important to a company in these days, because they can make or break the company reputation. So segment analysis use oh my god, natural language processing to determine whether online mentions of a brand are positive, neutral, or negative. They have to keep three things in the mind. The reviews are positive, neutral, or negative. For instance, if a product launches trigger a wave of positive sales, that's a good sign. But if you notice a sudden increase in negative comments, it might take a time to adjust about messaging or address about these concerns. So you have to look at the positive side, negative side, and the constant break-even side. How this methodology works? This technique typically involves collecting data from social media platforms using APIs. I know you're familiar with APIs, then analyzing it using text mining, machine learning, algorithm. Tools like there are several tools which help you do that. Some of them are like Brandwatch, Hootsuite, Insights, or even Power BI. Everyone is familiar with Power BI. Power BI dashboards can visualize the sentiments data, helping maker quickly understand what it's trying to say, what's it trying to go and gauge your brand perception and respond positively. So With this, let's conclude the topic over here. To wrap up, we covered 5 essential marketing analytics techniques. Customer segmentation, I'm just giving a quick overview. Customer segmentation help personalize campaigns. Predictive analytics forecast future behavior. Attribution analysis reveals which channel drives success. A/B testing optimize performance through experimentation, like dividing. And sentimental analytics monitor brand perception online. Together, these methods give marketers a 360 view of their performance, enabling smarter and more informed decisions. Remember, marketing analytics isn't just about data, it's about understanding people and improve their experience with your brand. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Which of these techniques do you find most interesting, or which one would you like to try next? Thank you.